I'm gonna show you how to using a scraps. So simply, I cut stripes using this technique, and then I'll show you in this video. And the mainly result with like that. So these are scale one, and then these I cut the curve line, making a little smaller and then so cute. So in this video, you will learn how to quilt and then how to insert the zips. What you need: wadding, piece of scraps, and a zip. First of all, I'll make a 6 inches by 7 inches purse, but a wadding always has to be bigger than the purse size. So I'm going to start in the middle with this fabric. Then put the other fabric just 1/4 inches from the edge and trim it. Sew the seam line close to the edge and go for the middle. I want to use this cat fabric for the next. Make sure the fabric is sewn right direction when you use directional fabric. For example, this fabric face will go down. Okay, if you can continuously do it, you will get a quilt like this. For a coin purse or small bags, you need 2 outers, 2 inners, and the right size of zip. I will show you how to put in a zip. The outer always face up and the zip goes face down. Either you are able to sew from beginning and end. You'd better open the zip before you sew it. When you close the zip head, make sure needle down, foot up, and push away the zip head. Inner face down. Flip it over and then top stitch. You can repeat the other side, but this time I'll show you one of the sewing technique called zip sandwich. Outer face up, zip face down, and inner face down. Then you can see zip sandwich in the middle. You can sew those at the same time. Flip over and then top stitch. Now half of the zip open and match outer to outer, inner to inner. We're gonna leave the gap here, so I will start from here for turning inside out. Make sure the zip goes to inner side, forward backward. Cut the corners. Use your index finger, go as far as you can go. Open up the zip. Push the corner with your thumb into the gap and pull it. Seam to seam and fold together and top stitch. Forward backward, go over, and again forward backward. Push the inner into the outer. Make sure the fabric is shown right down.
Okay.
Make sure the fabric is sewn. Oh, that's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Make sure the fabric is sewn. Okay. Make sure fabric is sewn right direction when you use directional fabric.
I think we need to do it. Okay.
Make sure the fabric is sewn. Make
아니,
sure the fabric.